How to disable automatic updates in Windows. Hello, welcome to FahimTec. Today I am going to show you how to disable automatic updates in Windows. Step 1. First, you will need to install a program called WUB. You can easily find it on Google or simply download it from my Telegram channel. It's 100% free and legal. Step 2. Extract the folder. You just download it. Step 3. Open the folder and run the file called wub.exe. Step 4. Once the program is open, you will see two options: Enable Windows Update and Disable Windows Update. Choose whichever you need. Since I want to disable automatic updates, I will select the disable option, and that's it. Final steps, let's check to make sure the updates are disabled. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.